In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to your Wix website. This is a crucial skill if you're looking to collaborate with others on your site, whether it's a team member, a designer, or a content creator. Ensuring you understand this process can really make your life easier, save you time, and improve communication within your team. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together with ease and confidence. First, you start by heading to your Wix account homepage. Make sure you're logged in. If you aren't, just enter your credentials and you'll be directed to the dashboard. This dashboard is your control center where you manage everything related to your website. It's user-friendly and intuitive, but if you're new, it can take a moment to familiarize yourself with where everything is. Once you're on the homepage, look for the settings option. It's usually on the left-hand side menu. Click it and you'll see a variety of options unfold. These settings allow you to customize various aspects of your website, but right now our focus is on adding collaborators. Next, you want to find and click on roles and permissions. This section is vital because it manages who has the authority to do what on your site. Essentially, it's about defining who gets access to specific functionalities of your Wix site. The interface is straightforward, listing current roles and permissions. This is also where you can see who already has access to your site, along with what type of permissions they currently hold. You will notice an option to invite collaborators. Click on that, and a prompt will appear asking you to enter the email address of the person you want to add. Be sure to double check the email address before moving forward. A typo here could send the invitation to the wrong person, leading to unnecessary delays. After entering the email address, your next step is to assign a general role. Wix offers several predefined roles such as editor, admin, or billing manager. Each role comes with different sets of permissions, so make sure to select the one that aligns with what you want your collaborator to have access to. Think about what parts of the website you want them to manage or modify. Once you've chosen the appropriate role, you're ready to send the invitation. Your new collaborator will receive an email invitation to join your Wix site. Once they accept, they'll be able to access and contribute to the parts of the site allowed by the role you assigned. Congratulations, you've successfully added someone to your Wix website. Now you can collaborate more effectively and bring in new talent to enhance your web presence. Remember, managing roles and permissions responsibly ensures the security and functionality of your website. Thank you for watching and happy collaborating.